Hey guys, my name is Tristan, and if you are new here, please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and hit that bell for all the latest content. So, I am absolutely excited to reveal to you guys Peragon's very first bed cover for the 22 Toyota Tundra, and I'm here to tell you why this is the best bed cover for this truck. All right, so let's take a look at the functionality and the features as to why this makes the Peragon bed cover the ideal choice for your 22 Tundra. So here we have the new XRP model, and what I love about this model is the rugged texture that it has on the exterior, which provides you this level of protection, and it's equivalent to that of a Line-X. And I think it complements the Tundra very well in its overall rugged appearance because this texture is almost very uniform to all the other textures with the truck. One of the great features of this bed cover is how easy it is to open. And I want to demonstrate this for y'all because all you have to do is simply push down on this particular panel right here. And you can start seeing that the bed cover will slide and retract with little to no effort. And here we are, almost like a garage door. And the cool thing is that if you pay attention to inside the bed, you'll see that the bed extender did not interfere with the functionality of the bed cover itself. So I think it's a great feature. All right, so with this bed cover fully retracted, I wanted to measure to see how much space it was occupying in the truck bed. And let's take a look here. So roughly about 6 inches when it's fully retracted. That's pretty impressive considering the fact that some of the other bed covers that I've seen, the retractable ones, they occupy almost a foot of your truck. All right, guys, and one of the great features of the Peragon bed cover is that even though this occupies your bed for about 6 inches in length, you can actually take this thing off, which will give you the full capability and use of your truck bed. And I'm going to put a link down below in the description where Peragon does an amazing job giving you a step-by-step how-to on removing and reinstalling this bed. And I want to show you guys how easy it is to close this bed cover. Now, this strap already comes installed with it, and all you have to do is simply pull it, and you can see here how easy it is to close it. And you take the strap, throw it in your truck bed, close the tailgate, and all is good. Now, another great security feature of this bed cover is this dual deadbolt system here. And I want to show you that you'll get a couple keys, and when you lock this bed cover, okay, you can see that when I push this initially, it opened. Now check this out, guys. It is completely locked, so therefore providing your valuables a great level of security. Right, and as we conclude this video, I want to say thank you to Peragon for choosing me to be their brand ambassador and giving me the opportunity to reveal their very first cover for the 22 Tundra. And down below in the description to all my subscribers and viewers, there is a discount code waiting for you in towards your purchase for this Peragon bed cover. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, Peragon is on standby with an amazing support team ready to assist you. So, until then, y'all have a good one.